Alright, so this car has an engine light on, so that one blinks most of the time, which is it has a misfire on cylinder 6. So we're gonna go ahead with the data stream. Alright, we're looking at here from cylinder 1 to 6. 1 to 5 is close to 0, but on cylinder 6 is -1. So let's try if we can pinpoint what's the problem for that one. You can see that's a blinking engine light. So this is the number 6 cylinder. We're gonna swap the cold packs to number 5 and the 5 to 6. Okay, now so we switch the cold packs. Let's look at here again. Now as you can see, the cylinder 5 is having that -1. So I can rule out the cold pack is bad on this one.